Hello everyone, this is PMMA again. If you are looking for a LED light solution for your indoor space, this practical, durable, and cost-effective PA module panel light definitely meets your needs. Because its modular design is not just to save you money or maintenance, but it also looks amazing. The beauty quality shows, even when you take a close look. As for the material, the housing is made of the stronger iron. The lens is transparency PMMA acrylic. And about the reflector, you have the different choices. It's up to yourself. This light is also efficient, with a luminous efficiency of 140 lumen per watt to make sure the energy saving. You can see it. The light is bright and even. We offer different sizes and models to fit your different places. And with a CRI over 18, this light can give you a natural, comfortable lighting that shows true color. And it's perfect for office, schools, supermarket, and also hospital. There are 3 installation methods for your choice: the surface mounting, ceiling mounting, and also suspension mounting. And if you want to know more about our PA module panel light, feel free to reach out anytime. And also drop a comment below. Tell us what kind of products you would like to see. Thanks for your watching and see you next time.